Lose him. I've got one issue though. My teddy microfiber cloth. Trying to wipe some droplets off of my goggles. I don't know if anyone's had this before. They're just frozen to complete ice. So I'm looking at these dots through my goggles now. Can't even get them off. Oh, this is going to be sketchy through here. This isn't easy at best of times. Mind when you can't even see it line. All these little things stuck up. If I remember right, this isn't as bad as it looks. Yeah, look, it rides on top. Oh dear. Where do we normally go through? Yeah, I always thought we went straight through it there. Let's try this way. That's a good way, Bob. Yes, Bobby! Trying to follow somewhat of a sheep track here, but it's difficult. Bobby's on. Absolutely sketchicals. Would not want to be in there today. Oh no, thank you. Yes, Bobby lad. Oh, see them rocks there. Oh, we're ploughing through it now, kid. Don't get knocked off. Do not get knocked off there. Oh, Bobby's down. Good lad. Wowzers. Are we living dream? I'm not sure. Can you see these dots on my goggles? Can't see properly. Should we come out to there? Absolutely, lad. What else are we going to do? Oh. the mic. Here he is. Let's get this done. Use twice as much fuel in snow. Woo! Foot pegs frozen solid. Good time to have Raptors on. Let that ice drop through that scent a bit. Whoa! Oh, not the barbed wire. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Whew. We've made it this far, let's continue. Uh-oh.